Hi there, students. To culminate. Culmination as a noun. Okay, to culminate, to arrive at its highest point. You can actually use this in astronomy to say when a star or a planet or a celestial body has reached its highest point and will come down again. Yeah, if you look at the sky, you will see it reaches a maximum angle, and that's when it culminates. But we use this metaphorically. Okay, the tower culminated in a pointed roof, the highest point, the top. But we use to culminate, to peak, to reach its most intense moment. The rivalry between the two teams culminated in a fist fight. So it reached a maximum. Very often as well, we use to culminate, meaning to come to completion, to come to the end. Because very often things get bigger and stronger and more intense, and then right at the end they're at their maximum and then they finish. So it's like a climax. The day's celebrations will culminate with a firework display, will end at the highest point with a firework display. This course will culminate with an examination, and if you don't pass the examination, you won't pass the course, so don't flunk it. Yeah, the maximum bit at the end. Operas very often culminate with the fat lady singing. It ain't over till the fat lady sings. Weeks of civil unrest culminated in a revolution. Okay, so that's quite a big culmination. You have to culminate, to come to an end, particularly when this is the climax, the most intense part, the most exciting or interesting. Yeah, so to come to a big, important end and then finish. Okay, this word to culminate and the noun culmination comes from Latin. There's a Latin word, culmen, which means top. So, yeah, at the top point. Notice to culminate is a regular verb. The day culminated with a firework display. Maybe Ramadan has culminated with a large feast after it finished. Okay, so to culminate, to reach a maximum. Now, the next question is formality. I think to culminate is a reasonably formal word. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation in the pub. Maybe give to culminate a 7 in formality. So this is something to use in a semi-formal or a formal context. I think down the pub you just say finish, come to a climax, something like that. So, to culminate, to reach the highest point in astrology. The rivalry culminated in a fight, reached its peak. The course will culminate in an exam, and then maybe we have a firework display if you all pass. So, to culminate, to finish. So, well, this is a bit of a low-key culmination, so maybe it's not so culminating. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To culminate.